and is faste é sugar dainte lin.
Tá fáilte rót is deach College de Oriel. Ba bhhailm corú a thuirteit rinse am a caiithúling, ag cur aithneoring, agus ag cur ólas ar scoil.
College Oriel is a co-educational and multi-denominational Irish medium post-primary school. We offer 19 subjects at junior cycle and 19 subjects at leaving certificate level. Attending College Oriel is a natural progression for students who have already attended Irish medium primary schools. We also, of course, warmly welcome the 20% of students who join us every year from English medium primary schools.
Imreen Pal is Kishfel and Shaw College Oriel. I have two sisters in the school with me. Helen is in 6th year and Maeve is in 2nd year. The school recently won an under-16 girls Ulster football final and I was privileged to be the captain of the team. I came from an English-speaking primary school, so therefore I had difficulties with the Irish at the start, but thanks to the brilliant resources in which the school provided, I was able to overcome my difficulties and I have no problem speaking it and I really enjoy it.
We have a superb range of on-site facilities offering pupils an opportunity to excel both inside and outside the classroom. We have a very strong pastoral ethos and generous staff commitment to sporting and cultural activities.
Is as Carrick Rockaway Schmidt, though my graham matric Frasler and Scotia freshen. My subjects include French, business studies and woodwork. We got a chance to taste old subjects until Halloween and sampling helped us to make up our mind. I captained on the 14.5 football team and we won the Ennis Cup last month, a fantastic occasion for our school.
Mishas Nidjavlin fi láthair agus tá meag fáil chance rudí nua a ólam. I really enjoyed the law workshop. We have a workshop in dance coming up as well. We have completed 2 weeks of work experience as well as modules in first aid, cookery and ECDL computering.
Tá muid ionach bradal as na haisne den sky atá agin sa scoil. Facilities in College Oriel include 2 science laboratories, 2 information technology suites, specialist rooms for home economics, music, art, graphics, building construction and engineering, as well as a library and a lecture theatre, not to mention our sports hall, fitness suite, full-size Gaelic football field and 4 ball courts. We have 6 Gaelic football teams and 8 basketball teams. Our footballers have won silverware on numerous occasions, while our basketballers regularly win regional titles, thus reaching the All-Ireland final stages in league and cup competitions. Transition year sport includes bowling, pitch and putt, horse riding, indoor mat bowls, handball, orienteering and step aerobics.
Tá simór agam me Garcy sport, especially the Safel Gaelic. I have a big interest in Gaelic football. With this school I've won 2 Ulster School under 16 and under 19 medals. I also play basketball for the school but definitely prefer the Gaelic football. I was delighted to receive an Ulster Schools All-Star Award earlier this year.
Current College Oriel and Vem are Acadulacht. College Oriel has a very high success rate in securing places in universities. Indeed, it is not unusual for all our leaving certificate students to go on to 3rd level education. We are especially pleased that each year students from College Oriel receive scholarships to their chosen universities.
Fantastique l'organe et Brenna, excellent. Et maintenant, on va faire un petit jeu de rôle, Jody et Oshin.
Je m'appelle Oshin, J'ai 14 ans, mon anniversaire est le 29 juin. Et je suis grande et mince, je suis sportive et sympa.
Carter and Kij imachtaí seach curriculum ar fáil de scoláirí. Coláiste Oriel offers a diverse range of extracurricular activities, including traditional music, choir, poetry aloud, spelling bee, debating, drama, BT Young Scientist, Sci-Fest and visits to the theatre, art galleries and musical recitals.
To sim work muintir sa ceol. The fact that there's a strong emphasis put on traditional music in Coláiste Oriel was a big attraction for me. There's a lot of opportunities to play traditional music in our school, such as school activities and concerts. There is also a music group run by Mincher Sean that have practices weekly. My sister Evelyn also plays traditional music.
Coláiste Oriel organises a Friendship Week annually as part of our robust anti-bullying policy. We have a prefect system and a vibrant student council.
Tumis is a kid feeling Coláiste Oriel agus tá mé sucraí isteach go maiid inis. I was nervous at the beginning. We had a 2-day settling in programme where we met the teachers and got a guided tour around the school. Our year head explained the timetable to us and we did different bonding games. Everybody is very friendly.
Our Special Educational Needs Department ensures that students with learning difficulties receive appropriate learning support. Senior classes have a career guidance period weekly and students may present for personal counselling. We have a 2-day settling in programme for new first year students. Our care team holds individual meetings with all our first year students and with all our third year students just to check in on them and to see that they are okay. We hope you have found this video informative and thank you for watching. Sin bhfuil uainn inis. Tásúil agam go bhfuil léargas níos fearr agad inis ar Coláiste Oriel. Slán tamil.